Summer celebrations can be a whole lot of fun, but they can also come with legal questions. Shawn C. Brown is here to share what you should know before heading out this July 4th weekend. Always good to see you.
Hey, Kimberly, good to see you as well.
And I love that you come on the show before big celebrations, because that, a lot of times, that is when we see some problems, isn't it?
Oh, it is. The big 250th celebration this year for the 4th of July. You know, everybody's going to be going out, doing all kinds of fun things, going to the beach, going to the lake, going to festivities at houses and so forth. And it's very important to have a plan before you go.
Okay, what kind of plan are we talking here to keep yourself safe and out of trouble?
Well, you know, obviously a designated driver for one, which we used to do when we were younger, right? Now there's so many other options, Uber and so forth. And so just have a plan, leave your car, go back and get it the next day. It's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, exactly. There's so many more options now. There really are. There's no excuse at this point. There really isn't. Now, we are also in the middle of the biggest soccer event in the world right now. There's a whole lot of excitement, a whole lot of celebration going on. What do you suggest for people when maybe they're getting together or they're going out somewhere to watch the games?
I mean, what a blast. World Cup. We go
fun.
from the Spurs finals to now World Cup here in the U.S., Mexico, and Canada. The U.S. is playing tremendous. I got my red, white, and blue
I'm so proud
tie.
of them.
And yeah, so we're everybody's excited. So kind of the same deal. Just have a plan. You know, if you're going to be going out enjoying the times and everybody's going to have a beer or drink or whatever the case may be, just have kind of the same plan that you would for the 4th of July or for any night for that matter.
Yeah. Let's say you do happen to get in an accident. What are the first things that you should do and what should you not be doing, Shawn?
Sure. First things in an accident is you want to make sure you document everything. Take pictures, make sure you get licenses, insurance, call the police, and then obviously call Shawn Brown at 210-224-8200.
Immediately.
That's the most important thing to do.
Before anything. It's really the first thing you should do, right?
Sure, because there's a lot of things that can be lost along the way, such as, you know, video. You want to go to a business maybe at an intersection when somebody's trying to claim that maybe you ran the red light when you really didn't. And there's been many a times we've been able to get business cameras to show that the other person was at fault, and sometimes those only last 72 hours. So it's very important.
Got to be quick, got to call your lawyer. Now, if somebody gets arrested, what are some important things to keep in mind?
Yeah, I mean, be polite and respectful, obviously, you know, and you want to, you know, exercise your right to an attorney. You have a right to do so. That cannot use that against you. If they're accusing you of doing something that's against the law, you have a right to remain silent, and they cannot use that against you. You know, but again, you want to be respectful throughout the entire process.
And I think the secret here is don't say anything until you've called your attorney.
Sure, you know, yes sir, no sir, you know, this is my name, this is, you know, my address, whatever the case may be, the very specific or basics. And then, you know, if they start asking you to do those tests, they've pretty much already made up their mind they're going to arrest you for DWI, and they're trying to get additional evidence against you. I mean, how many times when you went and got your driver's license, did you have to stand on one foot for 30 seconds to prove you could do that? I mean, I probably couldn't do that right now, standing here. Nothing in my system whatsoever, and with a flashlight in your eyes and everybody's nervous. I mean, of course you're going to put your foot down, and now that's a sign of intoxication when, you know, a lot of times it's not.
Yeah. Well, here's the thing. They can always call you. And so plug that number into your phone. It's the law office of Shawn C. Brown, 210-224-8200. You can also get more information at ShawnBrownLaw.com. But again, don't say a whole lot. Just call your attorney and go from there.